Tributes have been flowing for one of the founding members of the Grammy-winning group Black Uhuru, Rudolph Garth Dennis. News broke over the weekend that Dennis passed away at the age of 72. Members of Dennis's former band, the Wailing Souls, took to Instagram, remembering him as their boyhood friend and musical brother. Wailing Soul added that they grew up together on the streets of Trenchtown with the Wailers and Joe Higgs as their teacher and later in Waterhouse. Minister of Entertainment Olivia Grange recognized the artist for his outstanding contributions to music with the formation of not just one but two groups. Black Uhuru is known for their project Anthem that won the inaugural Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album back in 1984. As a member of Black Uhuru and later the Wailing Souls, Dennis is known for hits like Things in Time, Jaja Gives Us Life to Live, and Sweet Plum, among others. The 70th staging of the Miss Universe competition took place last night in Israel. The international beauty pageant saw Harnaz Shandu of India being crowned the 70th Miss Universe, winning over 80 contestants who were vying for the coveted title. Now, Nadia of Paraguay was placed second, while Alila from South Africa came third. Jamaica's Dana Suarez did not make the top 16. The competition was hosted by comedian Steve Harvey and included traditional displays of national costumes, swimwear, and a series of interviews. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.